The Chilean fjords of Tierra del Fuego are a spectacular feast for the senses, with memorizing views at every turn. An aromatic cocktail with natural nuances. Collect a wine glass. Add 1 bar spoon of Supasawa into this. Italicus is an aromatic and slightly spicy liqueur made from authentic Italian bergamot and selective native botanicals. It balances honey sweetness with fruity bitterness. Cocchi Americano is an atomized wine made with aromatic herbs and spice infusions. Pisco is Chile's national spirit, and with its lively floral profile, it marries perfectly with the other ingredients. Fill with cubed ice. Stir for 5 seconds and then lengthen with Fentimann's elderflower tonic. Finish with a couple of dashes of orange bitters. Lightly churn to integrate all of the ingredients together. Dip taste. Top with further ice if required. Gently tap the tarragon sprig into the palm of your hand and position into the top of the drink. Present and serve.